Stop the dog! Stop the dog right now!
Dad, look at the white carpet. The beautiful carpet is completely dirty. It is very muddy. There is mud everywhere.
Catch him! Catch the muddy monster!
I cannot catch him. He is running too fast. The mud is on the clean sofa.
Whoa!
The mud is on the wooden floor.
My back!
Stop! Stop right there! What is happening in my clean house? Why is there a muddy monster in my living room? Look at the floor. Look at the walls.
Emma, please do not panic. I can explain everything.
It is a beautiful Sunday morning.
Yes, the warm sun is shining. The green garden is very beautiful today.
I am watering the green plants.
I am a very good gardener.
Wait, did you hear that sound, Anna? Yes, Tom. I heard a loud sound.
Listen carefully. It is a bark.
Yes, it is a bark. A dog is barking.
Where is the bark coming from?
Look, Tom. Look under the big green bush. Wow. It is a dog. A real dog. Come here, little dog. Come here. He is coming out of the dark bush. Look at him. He is so cute. Look at his tail. His tail is moving fast. Yes, he is wagging his tail. He is very happy to see us.
Step back, kids. Be careful. I know dogs. I am a very famous dog expert.
Dad, look at his neck. He is wearing a collar. A bright red collar.
Let me see the red collar. It has a metal tag. His name is Max. Hello, Max. You are a very good boy.
Dad, Max looks very hungry. And he looks very thirsty. Can we feed him, Dad? Can I give him some food? And he looks very thirsty.
Can we feed him, Dad? Can I give him some food? Yes, Tom. We must feed the hungry dog. Go get some food.
And get a water bowl.
Okay. I have a big water bowl. I will put clean water in the water bowl. Here is your food, Max. Eat the food. Drink the clean water. Wow. He is eating the food very fast.
He really likes the food.
He is drinking from the water bowl now. But Dad, please look at his fur. His fur is completely black and brown. His fur is full of dirty mud. Yes, he is a very muddy dog. He is so dirty.
You are right, kids. His fur is very muddy. His owners will be very angry if he is muddy.
I am the dog expert. I will clean his muddy fur.
Okay, Max.
Welcome to the clean bathroom. Stand in the big white bathtub.
Dad, you are putting too much soap.
Yes, there are white bubbles everywhere.
More soap is better. We must clean the muddy fur. Good boy, Max. Stand very still.
He does not like the cold water, Dad.
Right?
He is shaking his body.
Oh no! Water is splashing everywhere! Wait. Where is the pink towel?
Anna, I need a pink towel. Give me a towel.
Okay, Dad. I will get the pink towel. Dad, the bathroom door is open.
Oh no! Max, do not jump!
He is jumping out of the bathtub.
He is running away.
Catch him! Catch the muddy dog! He is completely wet! He is running to the living room.
Max, come back! Come back here! He is shaking his muddy fur again.
The soap is flying. The mud is flying.
Stop! Stop right there! What is happening in my clean house?
Tom, look at me. Why did Max run away?
Because the door was open?
Or was he hungry?
What do you think? A or B? Don't scroll. Think first. Do not panic, family. I will control this.
Be careful, Emma. He is very fast.
Watch and learn, David. Max, come. Come here, Max.
Wow! He is walking to Mom.
Max, sit. Sit down.
Oh my goodness! He is sitting down on the floor.
Good boy, Max. You are a very good boy.
Max, stay. Stay right there.
Emma, how did you do that? It is magic.
It is not magic, David. It is simple English. Dogs do not listen to long sentences. Dogs do not listen when you are panicking. You must be calm. You must use short words. You just say, come, sit, stay. Good boy.
Come, sit, stay. Good boy. Short words are very easy to understand.
Exactly. Short command verbs are very powerful. Now, David, please clean this muddy floor.
Yes, Emma. I will clean the floor right now.
Hello? Who is at the door?
Hello, neighbor. I am looking for my dog.
He ran out of my garden this morning. He has a red collar. His name is Max.
Mom, his owner is here. Max has to go home now.
I know, Tom. It is time for him to go home. Oh, Max! Max, you are here. Thank you so much. He looks very clean and happy.
Yes, we are dog experts.
Here is his leash. I am giving you his leash. Thank you, Tom. Let's go home, Max.
Mom, I feel a little bit sad. I want to keep him.
It is okay to feel sad sometimes, Tom. But sometimes, loving an animal means letting it go. We must let him go back to his real family.
That is the right thing to do. We must be strong.
Yes, Tom. He belongs with his family. He will be very happy there.
You are right, Mom. You are right, Anna.
Goodbye, Max. Be a very good boy. Goodbye, Max. We will miss you.
It is time for the final fun quiz. Listen to my question very carefully. What color was the collar on the dog's neck? A blue collar. B, a red collar.
Write your correct answer right now. Write A or B in the comments. Do not wait. Answer it now.
I am waiting for your correct answer. Do you have a pet dog or a pet cat? Tell us your pet's name in the comments.
If you like this family story, please like and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye-bye.